Welcome to Unit Network. Bond staking provides an excellent opportunity for users to stake tokens and contribute to the network's stability. This guide will walk you through to the steps bond staking setup, initialization, and ensuring a smooth experience. Let's get started. To begin, log in to the Unit Network website by clicking the Login button in the top right corner and using your Unit wallet or another supported login method to access your account. Once logged in, navigate to the Wallet tab in the top menu and select Unit from the list of tokens displayed in your wallet. Next, click on View Bond Staking to open the staking interface. In the Bond Stake interface, enter the quantity of UNITCOIN you want to stake, double-check the amount for accuracy, and click the Bond UNITCOIN button to confirm your staking. Follow any additional prompts to complete the process. Once staking is successful, you will receive a confirmation notification. You can monitor your staking status and rewards directly in the wallet section under Bonded Stake Details. Please note to ensure your wallet has sufficient UNITCOIN and transaction fees to complete the bonding process. Keep in mind that staking rewards and lock-in periods may vary, so check the terms in the staking interface. Congratulations! You've now unlocked the full potential of bond staking on Unit Network. Whether you're staking tokens, managing rewards, or utilizing the features, this guide equips you to make the most of this rewarding experience. Enjoy a seamless journey and maximize your benefits on Unit Network.